Product, joints for cooling water. Material, SUS 304 stainless steel. Machine, Star Somebody 20R Typeg. Let's take a look at the machining process. First, the technician starts by setting up the equipment. The machine is inspected and cleaned. Initial machining is performed to remove large amounts of material from the surface of the workpiece and to remove burrs from the inner hole. After rough machining, fine machining is done to achieve accurate dimensions and surface finish. Drilling operations are carried out on the lathe. Careful control of feed. Speed is essential to ensure the quality and precision of the holes. Details of the holes are then refined. Our machine can perform both back spindle and main spindle operations simultaneously. This product requires a very high level of finish for the internal water inlet. It is crucial to ensure that most machining marks and burrs have been removed from the surface. Based on the shape and material of the part, appropriate polishing tools and methods are selected to ensure the finish of the internal and connecting areas. The customer requires RAO 0.8, but we can achieve RAO 0.4. Oh my god! These numbers can give a more intuitive understanding. This water cooling interface is a component of the radiator. It is primarily installed in the cooling equipment of large AI data centers. Finally, the finished product undergoes quality inspection.